How's it going, YouTube? Out for a testing tool. Got a couple of the fellas coming out. Just giving you guys a quick update why I haven't posted in a while. I was on vacation in Florida. I did send my HPI RS4 down there to do some drag racing. Unfortunately, the night I was supposed to link up with the guys out there, it started raining. You know how Florida is. If you're from out there, familiar with it, it rained every day we was out there, so it was all good though. I had a good time. But anyway, we're gonna do some testing. I burnt the ESC out yesterday. I'm not sure what happened with it. Ever since I shipped it in the mail, everything came back funny. So I don't know if they threw it around or whatever the case may be, but that ESC stopped working. So I need to look at it. But I had got my Mamba X in the mail, so I just threw that back in there for now. Did some testing, and hopefully everything goes as planned. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned. Got the course set up. Alrighty, it's a nice little spot right here. We was gonna use the spot over there we usually be at, but it was like no shade over there, ain't no shade over here really, but we making it work. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Oh, I want to shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you, all y'all. Big shout out to Big Country RC. My bro switched his name. Nothing but love, Big George, you already know. Shout out to everybody, man. Appreciate all y'all. Let's keep it going. I see True Boy. Shout out to True Boys. He got the live going, you know, good times on the live. I've been keeping up. I've been trying to keep up on the vacation. So anyway, let me stop rambling and get to it.
Do it.
You take off like a baby? Yeah. Oh shit! Oh, nice save, nice save. That was a nice save, man. I'm sure they didn't read him though. Oh, dude. Little old 3S pass, just messing around. Yes, right.